Hello! I is cat. Aww. Adorable. Babysit. Shrap. Stop it. I was thirsty, so I bought a 7-Up. And I ran and ran all the way home. I began to drink. This tastes like 7-Up. Oh yes, because this is 7-Up. Drink. It was then I noticed I don't have any more money. Oh no! So I say, hey mum, can I have some money? 100 will do. And then I start the business. And that's the way it goes down. Once I went to the fridge and I thought, what's in it? Older Rosen. What are you doing?
Oh, you know, stuff. Egg on toast, I think.
Get out of the fridge. Older Rosen. Rip.
I'm in the bedroom and I'm sitting on my brother's head for half an hour. Suddenly,
Ow! Don't use your teeth. Get off me! That's my head. Oh, sorry. I was just dreaming about my cat licking my face. And then he became a terrifying creature.
The fiercest animal in the world.
The really big cat. And then he began to eat my neck. If I went back to sleep, what would happen? Help. Please, don't. No. Come on, Brian. What the fuck? Oh no. Brian, fuck. Why is your head off? The end.